Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in good health and in a mood ready to learn. Okay, so up until now we have been discussing about arithmetic progression and how to find the nth term. That is, if a arithmetic progression is having n terms, how do you find the la- last term or the nth term? So today we are going to look at how to find the formula to find sum. That is, suppose we have four terms in an AP. How many terms do we have? Four terms. What is the formula to find the sum of all these four terms? Okay. Similarly, अगर जो भी number दे रहा है, if they are asking what is the sum of five numbers, वो कैसा find करेगा? तो usually एक equation के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We make it for n terms, right? N, where n can be any number. So we are going to find the formula to find sum. Please pay close attention to what is being written over here and also my voice, and you will be able to understand. Okay. So first of all, we are going to write an arithmetic progression. The first term is a, right? We all know that the first term is a. तो second term क्या होगा? A plus common difference, right? That is a plus d. What is the third term? A plus 2 into common difference. Correct है ना? So suppose if you are adding the uh, APS 369, third term is 3 plus 3 into 3, right? Similarly, अगर n terms है तो this will be nth term would be a plus n minus 1 into d. What will be this term? A plus n minus 2 into d है ना? This term would be इधर n minus 1 है तो उससे एक कम करते n minus 1 minus 1 is n minus 2, correct? So we have a to n terms. So they're just writing that, we are just writing that terms one more time. A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, ऐसा जाके for a plus n minus 1d we are giving the name L. That is, a plus n minus 1d is the last term, so it is called L, right? We are just giving the name L. So what will be the second last term? It will be L minus d. Last term से एक नीचे करके, correct? तो L is the last term, second last term would be L minus d, है ना? तो last term से एक common difference कम किया है तो second last term मिलेगा, correct है ना? So what will be the third last one? L minus 2d. ठीक है? Now we are going to find the sum of n terms. Okay? So first term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term, ऐसा जाके 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 प्लस L माइनस डी प्लस L, है ना? जो भी नंबर्स है वो सब ऐड किया, which is very simple, right? That will be the sum of n terms. अभी I'm just going to rearrange it, correct? I'm just going to rearrange the numbers one more time. I'm going to start with L. It's like 2 plus 3 plus 4 can also be written as 4 plus 3 plus 2, है ना? तो the whole thing, हमारे equation can be written, just we can just rearrange it like this. Isn't that correct? L plus L minus d plus L minus 2d plus L minus 3d ऐसे जाके till A minus d plus A, sorry, A plus A plus d, correct? What they've just did is they have just rearranged the numbers. जो भी ऊपर का numbers है उसको rearrange किया. Nothing else was done. सीधा rearrange किया. भी दोनों equation को 1 और 2 बोला है. what will be done next is we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. It will become 2s is equal to, तो जो भी बिल्कुल नीचे से ऐड करेगा a plus l ऐसे ऐड करेगा, a plus d plus l minus d ऐसे ऐड करेगा. Please look at the red circle that's going there. A plus 2d plus l minus 2d ऐड करेगा, a plus 3d plus l minus 3d ऐड करेगा, l minus d plus d ऐड करेगा and l plus a ऐड करेगा, है ना. That is how you add ऊपर और नीचे. So what will come? A plus l सीधा नीचे लिखेगा a plus l. What is the second term? A plus d plus l minus d. प्लस d और माइनस d क्या होगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So what is remaining? Plus d minus d 0 हो जाएगा, a plus l बाकी है. That's what we are writing there. Similarly, look at the second term. उधर भी plus 2d है minus 2d है, तो वो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, plus 2d and minus 2d कैंसिल हो जाएगा और a plus l. ऐसे जाते तो you can see that everywhere it is getting cancelled. And what will be the last term? Again l plus a plus l plus a, right? ऐसा ही जाता है. So 2s is equal to a plus l plus a plus l plus sum of terms 2s is equal to a plus l, correct? So how many numbers are there? There are n numbers, right? ऐसा n numbers होता है. N into, if a plus l is added n times, it is called n into a plus l, right? So s will be equal to n by 2 into a plus l, correct? 2 into s में वो दो नीचे आया तो it becomes that. अभी l को हम substitute करेगा. What was actually l? A plus n minus 1d. That was actually l, correct? So let us just rearrange it one more time. n into a plus l के स्थान पे we'll write a plus n minus 1d, a plus n minus 1 into d, and जो by 2 नीचे वो ऐसा ही लिखेगा, right? Now n into a plus a can be written as 2a, correct? And n minus 1 into d भी ऐसा ही देगा by 2. That is sum of n terms of an equation is s is equal to n by 2, n plus a plus l by 2, or it can be written as n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2, correct? I hope all of you are clear with this. So there are two equations, s is equal to n into a plus l by 2. It can also be written as, I just want all of you to by heart the second equation, s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो अगर n terms of a AP is given, what is the sum of those first n terms? That is the equation. तो अगर 3 terms were given, sum of the first 3 terms will be 3 into n के स्थान पे 3 देगा, right? जो जिधर भी n है उधर 3 देगा. If I am asking you the sum of first 10 terms, n will be 10. Instead of n, we will write 10, right? And a is first term and d is a common difference. Just make sure that you by heart this equation and write it down. Along with this video, I am also going to send you a worksheet in which I've solved one question. वो देख के you'll know how to solve a question, and 2 similar questions are also given. I know this is a bit hard. You will only understand this if you actually pause my video, listen to my voice, and also write it down as I am speaking. Just write down the theory. ऐसा देखने से कुछ नहीं समझा, you will not be able to understand anything. just write as you are listening to my audio and seeing the video. Clear? I hope all of you have understood something of it. I'm again repeating, you will only understand the whole of it if you spend time on it. You have one whole day. इसके ऊपर time spend करो. अगर जो भी doubt है, please reach out to me. Okay? By this, I am ending my lecture today. Wait for the worksheets and also solve the worksheets. Okay, guys? Bye bye. Thank you.